This new Chinese AI agent is insane. Every great idea your team had this week is still sitting in Slack, unfinished, forgotten, buried under 50 other messages. Nobody followed up, nobody built it out, nobody had the time. And that's not a people problem, that's a workflow problem. What if the tool that holds all your conversations could also execute them? That's exactly what we're talking about today. Hey, I'm Ava. I cover AI tools, workflows, and how to actually use them in your day-to-day work so you're spending less time on the busy work and more time on the stuff that actually matters. Today, we're breaking down Manus AI and its brand new Slack integration. Because if your team lives in Slack, this is genuinely one of the most useful things you can set up right now. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what each mode does, and which one you should start with. But first, if you don't know what Manus is yet, give me 60 seconds. Because the context matters. Manus is an autonomous AI agent, not a chatbot. An agent. The difference is massive. A chatbot waits for you to ask it something, gives you an answer, and stops. An agent takes a goal, figures out the steps on its own, executes them, and hands you a finished result. No prompting back and forth, no babysitting. The name Manus literally means hand in Latin. The whole idea is an AI that does the work, not just talks about it. It launched in March 2025, built by a Chinese startup called Butterfly Effect, also known as Monica. It went viral almost immediately. By December 2025, it had hit $100 million in annual recurring revenue in under a year. Then, Meta acquired the company for around $2 billion. So when I say this is one of the most backed AI tools in the world right now, that is not an exaggeration. And at launch, it outperformed OpenAI's deep research on the Gaia benchmark, which is the industry standard test for real-world AI task performance across multiple difficulty levels. That got a lot of people's attention. Now it's inside Slack. And there are 3 very different ways to use it. Stay with me, because each one solves a different problem, and knowing which to use is the whole point of this video. Let's start with the problem this integration is actually solving. Your team makes decisions in Slack. Strategies get discussed, documents get shared, action items get assigned. All of that context lives in your channels. But then the actual execution happens somewhere else entirely. Someone has to copy-paste the thread into another tool, run a prompt, come back with the output, paste it in again. It's slow, it breaks focus, and half the time a different teammate goes and does the same thing because they didn't see the first attempt. Manus eliminates that loop. You stay in Slack, the work gets done in Slack, and everyone sees it happen in real time. Here's how. The first way is called the Manus agent, and this is your personal AI inside your DMs. When you install Manus into Slack, you get a dedicated direct message tab with it, like messaging a colleague who never sleeps and never has a full calendar. The thing that makes this different from just using a chatbot is persistent memory. Manus remembers your past conversations. Your preferences carry forward. Your feedback sticks. You tell it how you like things done once, and it builds on that every time. You never have to re-explain yourself. So practically, what does that look like? You set it up to check specific channels every morning at 9 a.m. and send you a structured summary of decisions made overnight and action items assigned to you. It does that on its own, every day, without you having to ask again. You're on your phone between meetings, and you have 3 minutes. You DM Manus your rough bullet points for a client update. By the time you're back at your desk, there's a polished draft waiting. You review it, forward it to the channel, done. This is your personal AI layer inside Slack, always on, always in context. Quick pause here. If you're new to AI tools and you're not sure how to build this kind of workflow into your actual work, that's exactly what AI Profit Boardroom is for. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. Real use cases, real workflows, no hype. It's helped me figure out which tools save time and which ones just add noise. If you're serious about this, check it out. Link is in the description. Now let's get into the second mode, because this is where it gets really useful for teams. The second way is the Slack integration. This is where you tag Manus directly inside a channel thread. Your whole team is in a thread debating a product decision, ideas going back and forth for an hour. Eventually, something gets agreed on, buried deep in the conversation. Normally, someone has to go read through everything and write it up. That person is usually already stretched thin. Instead, you type at Manus and tell it what you need. Generate a product requirements document from this thread. Analyze this PDF a client just dropped in. Pull the 3 key objectives and suggest clarifying questions for our next call. Manus reads the entire thread, including any files, executes the task, and posts the output right there for everyone to see and iterate on together. This is AI as a team capability, not a solo tool. Everyone's in the same conversation. Everyone sees the input and the output. No one is working from a different version. The third way is the Slack connector, and this is the most powerful of the three. The connector uses something called Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It gives Manus the ability to read your Slack channels and send messages on your behalf. This one is triggered from the Manus web app at manus.im, not from inside Slack itself. That distinction is what makes it so useful for automated, scheduled work. Here's a real example from Manus's own documentation. You set a recurring task in the web app. Every weekday at 9 a.m., Manus checks a specific channel, pulls the top AI news from the last 24 hours, summarizes each article in one sentence, and posts a compiled report to your team channel, under your name, not as a bot. Or you ask it to search across your public channels for all mentions of a specific project in the last 48 hours, identify the blockers, and send you a private summary. One instruction. It synthesizes everything across every channel you've authorized, and authorization matters here. Manus only reads the channels you explicitly invite it into. It does not access private messages without specific permission. You control exactly what it can see. Your data is encrypted in transit and at rest, and Manus does not train its models on your private Slack data. Setup for all three modes is straightforward. For the Agent DM and Slack integration, go to the Agents tab at manus.im, click Get Started, select the Slack tab, click Continue in Slack, review permissions, and hit Allow. That's it. For the Slack connector, open the Manus web app, click the plus icon below the text input, scroll to Add Connectors, search for Slack, and connect it. One thing up front, a paid Slack plan is required to access these AI features. The free Slack plan won't work here. Now here's something worth thinking about before you go set this up. Manus is genuinely powerful for focused, repeatable tasks. Research, reporting, drafting, summarizing. For that kind of work, it is excellent. Where it gets more complicated is when workflows span a lot of different tools or involve complex logic with a lot of moving parts. If your process is simple and consistent, Manus will handle it well. If it's highly customized across many platforms, you might hit some limits. Know that going in. Also worth saying, like any AI tool, Manus can occasionally get things wrong, especially with specific data or statistics. For anything critical, verify the output before you act on it. That's just good practice with any AI right now. If you want to go deeper on AI tools and actually put them to work, AI Profit Boardroom is the place. Over 2,000 people sharing real experiences, real workflows, and honest takes on what's working and what's not. No hype, no fluff. Just people doing the work and sharing what they learn. It's how I stay on top of updates like this one, link in the description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the notes from this video, plus access to a community of 58,000 members who are getting serious results with AI. If this helped, hit subscribe. A lot more coming on tools like Manus, and you don't want to miss it.